Did you know that you can quickly change the case of your text on Illustrator? I got today's video idea from a comment in the Minted community Slack. So just in case you don't know you can do that, I'm gonna teach you how to do it. If you are new here, hello, I'm Claudia Orengo from heartmade.es, and I post videos every Tuesday with quick tips to help you become a better and faster graphic designer. So when you have a text, you can click on it and you can go to Type, change case, and select which one you want to change to. So if I want this to be title case, I can then have the first letter of each word to be in capital letters. I can also go to uppercase and change it to all caps, or change back to lowercase, or even sentence case, which means only the first one will be capital. And as you can imagine, I created a shortcut for the ones I use the most. Here you can see the shortcuts I created because I use this a lot when I'm designing. I think like, should I have this in lowercase? Then I press the shortcut and I visualize, okay, this is how it would look in lowercase. What about uppercase? What about title case? And with that, I can quickly switch and decide which one works best for me. So remember, if you don't know how to create shortcuts, I have another video tutorial which I'm gonna link after this one. And if you like this video, as always, please let me know through the comments because I appreciate a lot hearing from you. All right, I'll see you next week in another Tuesday tip tutorial. Bye!